Market recap, Friday, March 20th, 2026. The $1 investor, building the foundation. Alright, so here's the market recap for Friday, March 20th, 2026. Today was a reset day for me. I reset my entire YouTube channel portfolio to $1 per company and ETF. And starting now, I will be buying every single one of them every day, $1 per day, 5 days a week, for the next 10 years. That comes out to $42 per day across 42 different investments, 35 individual companies, and 7 ETFs, crypto ETFs. This account is not about getting rich quick. This account is about building a foundation brick by brick, dollar by dollar, day by day. Because the truth is, most people think investing is only for people with money. That's not true. Consistency beats money, time beats timing, discipline beats motivation. What I'm buying and why. This portfolio is built like a mini economy. I'm not betting on one company. I'm betting on the world continuing to move forward. I own tech, NVDA, MSFT, Google, AAPL, energy, ET, Run, finance, Sophie, Hood, EV, Riven, NIO, EVGO, infrastructure and materials, CX, retail and consumer, AMZN, CHWI, Piton, international, INDA, KWF, semiconductors, INTC, uranium, nuclear, UE, URA, type exposure through holdings, Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, EBIT, ETA, dividend ETFs, SCHD, DGRO, total market ETFs, VT, SPY, SPYM, bonds, BND, volatility hedges, UVXY, VXY, SVIX, SVXY. So what I built is not a random list. I built growth, income, international, bonds, crypto, energy, volatility hedge. That's a complete portfolio. How the $1 strategy works. Let's break this down so anyone watching can understand. If I invest $42 per day, 5 days per week equals $210 per week, about $840 per month, about $10,000 per year. But here's where it gets interesting. I'm not trying to time the market. I'm not trying to guess the bottom. I'm buying every day no matter what the price is. That means when the market crashes, I buy. When the market is high, I buy. When people are scared, I buy. When people are greedy, I buy. This is called dollar cost averaging. And over 10 years, this turns into something very powerful. If this portfolio averages a 7 to 10% return per year, and I invest about $10,000 per year, in 10 years this account alone could be around $140,000, $170,000. And that's just from small daily buys, not from being rich, not from winning the lottery, not from options, not from gambling, just from consistency. Why this matters for regular people. Most people think, I don't have enough money to invest. That's a lie people tell themselves because they don't understand math. If someone invests just $5 per day into 5 ETFs for 10, 20 years, they can literally build a retirement account. The problem is not that people are broke. The problem is people don't have a system. I built a system. Buy every day, review companies every quarter, replace bad companies, add better companies, never stop buying. This is how you build a foundation. Market talk. What happened today? Today the market was mixed. Some tech down, some growth down, volatility slightly up, dividend ETFs steady, Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs volatile, international markets still weak, EV stocks still beaten down, solar down, semiconductors pulling back a bit, which is actually good for my strategy because I'm a buyer. When prices go down and you are a buyer, that's called a sale. Rich people love market crashes. Poor people fear market crashes. Why? Because rich people own assets, poor people own bills, so I'm trying to switch sides. The real goal. This YouTube portfolio is not my main retirement. This is my foundation account. This account is proof that you don't need a lot of money to start, you just need to start. Because the hardest part of investing is not money, it's discipline, patience, emotional control, consistency. Anyone can invest when things are going up. Very few people invest when things are going down, but that's where the money is made. Closing summary. So starting Monday, this continues. $1 per company, every day, every week, every month, every year, for the next 10 years. And I will update, replace, and upgrade companies based on earnings, debt, revenue, profitability, management, future growth. This is how I build my foundation. This is how I build my future, $1 at a time. If you're watching this and you think you're too late, you're not late. If you're watching this and you think you don't have enough money, you don't need a lot of money. You need a plan, you need discipline, and you need time. The thing is not to be rich. The thing is to be free. And this is step one. Like and subscribe, The $1 Investor.